Alright guys, so today we will be doing the oil change on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see, this is the dipstick right here to measure the oil, and this is the fill cap. Don't forget, when you raise up any vehicle at all, always remember to use the jack stand. Safety first. As you can see, our drain plug is right here, and our oil filter is right in front of that oil pan. All you need is these three things right here: a ratchet, 17mm socket, small extension, and a claw. That's all you need to get this oil change done. The drain plug is 17mm. Just put a 17mm socket. Now, the next thing you want to do is set up the claw. Set up your claw. Now you could just go ahead. Loosen up the oil filter the rest of the way. What I usually do is I loosen it up a little bit, let it drain. Some people, they'll make a hole in it, but no, I just let it drain. As soon as it's drained to a certain point, I just go ahead, take the filter off. Our new filter, STP from AutoZone. Get in the zone. You want to go ahead and put a little bit of oil around the gasket of the filter. Filters are usually, say, around 11 foot-pounds, which is basically hand tight. You don't need to over tighten the filter. It doesn't need to be. Now, go ahead and loosen up your fill cap. Have a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you could finesse it. These cars usually take, say, around 5.7 roughly. I'd suggest, if you're not sure, add, say, 4 quarts and then check it, and then add a little bit more. So after you're done filling up your oil, you just want to check it. This is the proper way to check your oil. See, oil level is at full. Once we start it up, you want to check your drain plug, check around the edges of your oil filter, make sure it's not leaking. And while we're under here, we're gonna take a quick look at just the suspension parts, make sure the boot's not busted on both sides. Make sure nothing looks out of place, unusual.